Hello, today's video is going to be about something a little bit different, and it's going to be something I've not put on my channel as of yet, maybe more in the future. But we did some DIY on some chest of drawers, so we are going to paint them like a pale blue. All the products in there. Most of the video will be in a time lapse and it will take a couple of days to complete, so definitely check everything of that out, and I hope you do like these because I will be showing a lot more. Before we get all into the video and try and start this all off, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. tazwells12, I am Tara Wells, I'm the host of this channel. Please follow me on my channel on notification. Give the video a thumbs up if you like the products, if you liked how we did it. If you've got any little hints and tips at the bottom, please give us that because we are going to do some of this in the future. Also, please follow me on TikTok and social media of Instagram because I post videos and other bits and pieces on there, so definitely give that. So now we will get into the DIY bedside cabinet, chest of drawers DIY. here is the last of what we've done. So just a quick cat through. You've probably seen all through the time lapses that we quickly done was paint this about 3 or 4 times to make sure that everything was covered. Even the back, I've done even the bottom where that round bit is. We've even done the top where the drawer goes in. So where even the top is on that we've done. So then once that all dried and we've all done that, then we went over with the varnish. As you can see, it's got a sort of a shiny texture to it. They are both done like this and I think they look so much better, and I think they suit the room so much nicer and they look so much prettier, and I'm really happy with them. Now you've probably seen that this is the end and the end of the video, so I hope you like how we done the DIY. I hope it gives you some hints and tips in this situation of lockdown at the moment. By the way, none of this is sponsored. I literally bought the stuff. Some of it was from Aldi. I got some of it from my parents, and we did it through like that. So if you like this, we are going to do more of this in the future, and I will do different pieces of furniture so you can see it again. So yeah, definitely tell me what you think of all of that. Definitely give a comment, definitely give the video a like, thumbs up, that would be great. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again soon. Bye.